Hi guys, Chetana here. Please welcome to my class. In the previous videos and all, you saw the basic formulas, properties and formula based problems, and we saw the inverse trigonometric function based problems, correct, right? So today we are going to see a very important topic, that is chain rule. What is this chain rule? Chain rule means the function, already we have one function, inside that function one more function is there, okay? So many people get confused here, okay? But I'll teach you in a very simple way. We'll see with the problem, I'll explain, okay? So guys, we'll see the chain rule here, okay? Chain rule means it is a function inside one more function, correct, right? So sometimes two functions will be there, sometimes three functions will be there. So we'll see how it works. I'll just explain with a simple example, okay? So first one, e power x. I know differentiation of e power x is e power x, but in the place of x, if I have another function, what to do? Example, x square, correct, right? So we know e power x, it's e power x, but e power x square somewhat looks like different, correct, right? So we have to first rewrite y is equal to e to the power of x square. So as I already know that d by dx of e power x is e power x, so dy by dx is equal to, we have to write this as e power x square only into, first you have to do the basic. First you have to differentiate the basic. Okay. So it looks like e power x. So basic you have to differentiate first. E power x, e power x. So that's what, in the place of x square is there, but still it looks like e power x. So I have written e to the power of x square. Now what is exactly any other function is there in that? Yes, we have x square is another function that we have to differentiate. Okay. So d by dx of x square. So dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x square into x square differentiation is 2x. It looks like x to the power of n. So the answer is e power x square 2x. This is a very simple way. Guys, we'll see one more example for this. Y is equal to e to the power of log x. So it looks like e power x, correct, right? But in the place of x, log x is there. Always, if you get like this problems, first you have to always differentiate the basic function. Okay. First you have to think, oh, it is a form of basic function. First you have to write the basic function, then differentiate the other function in the place of x. So now dy by dx is equal to e power log x looks like e power x. This looks like e power x, right? So the differentiation of e power x is e power x only. So we have to write it as a e to the power of log x into, in the place of x log x is there, that we have to differentiate, d by dx of log x. So dy by dx is equal to e power log x into, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. That's all. This is the final answer. Guys, we'll see the third example. Okay, so previously we saw only the two functions, like e power x is there, and also in the place of x log x is there. That's all, only the two functions. But here e to the power of cos x square. See here, there is a e power x form, cos x square. See, there are three functions, correct, right? So this is exactly called as a chain form. So how to solve this? We'll see. dy by dx is equal to, first basic function, it looks like e power x. So now I have to write e power cos x square into, differentiate in the place of x. What is there? That we have to differentiate. d by dx of cos x square. But still it looks like cos x square, correct, right? It is exactly cos x square, but it looks like cos x. Means in the place of x square is there. Again we have to differentiate it. d by dx of x square. See here, there are three functions. First looks like e power x. In the place of x, cos x square is there, but still it looks like cos x. But in the place of x, not cos x, not x. It is cos x square, no? In the place of x, x square is there. So there are three functions, e power x, trigonometric function, exponential function, trigonometric function and x function. Correct, right? So we have to differentiate like this only. First we have to analyze the question, how many functions are there inside. So according to that we have to differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to e to the power of cos x square into differentiation of cos x square is minus sin x square into x square differentiation is, because it looks like cos x, right? Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So but in the place of x, x square is there. That's what I have written, minus sin x square, and differentiation of x square is 2x. dy by dx is equal to minus 2x sin x square e power cos x square. I am just writing in a order form. First x function, trigonometric function, exponential function. Like this I have written. That's all. Guys, fourth example we'll see. Y is equal to tan root log x. See here, it looks like tan x, but in the place of x, root log x. Okay, that root log x looks like root x, but in the place of x, log x is there. Correct, right? So there are again three functions here. How to differentiate? We'll see. dy by dx. It looks like tan x, correct? No? So what is the differentiation of the tan x? Secant square x, in the place of x, root log x is there. That's what? Secant square root log x. Okay? So now we have to, in the place of x there is a root log x, that we have to differentiate into d by dx of root log x. It looks like root x, but still in the place of x, log x is there. That we have to differentiate. d by dx of log x. Guys, understood? Don't get confused here. First it looks like tan x. Okay, first it looks like tan x. Differentiation of the tan x is secant square x, but in the place of x, root log x is there. That's what? Secant square root log x into d by dx of the x place root log x is there, no? That we have to differentiate. d by dx of root log x. But root log x looks like root x, correct? But in the place of x, log x is there. Again we have to differentiate that. So d by dx of log x. So there are three functions, correct? So dy by dx is equal to secant square root log x into differentiation of root log x is 1 by, because it looks like root x, no? So 1 by 2 root log x into differentiation of the log x is 1 by x. This is exactly step by step method.